Hi loves, welcome to Diva Decorating. Today I'm going to be showing you my Glam Winter Wonderland table for 2018. Now, I know you're wondering, well, that table looked like it cost a lot of money. Like I put a lot into this, but I did not. I put very little into this by shopping at Dollar Tree and shopping my home for things that I already had. And you can do the same. Okay, now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. So without further ado, let's get started. The tablecloth right here came from Big Lots last year. And I was late getting there and everything had been picked over, so I was left with only two choices, and the other one I did not like. This one stood out to me because of the sparkly. I love anything that sparkles, so this caught my eye right away and I grabbed it. So I don't remember how much this cost, but I know it wasn't expensive. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the first place setting. And by the way, this is a table for 4. And it's a glass table, but it fits my kitchen because I have a small kitchen. Okay, now let's start with this ornament. This is nothing but an ornament from Dollar Tree. It is mirrored. It is gorgeous. I love this ornament. It is so pretty to me. Now, I got a couple of more, but I was only left with the one because I used the other ones for a different project. And I said, okay, well, I love it. I'm still going to use it. And I had to use some other ornaments in my other place settings. But that's okay. If you don't have anything, enough of something, just make sure that, they coincide with each other. That way you can still get a good look and it won't look too off. Okay, and inside, well, they're sitting inside these bowls that you find at the Dollar Tree in the party section. I have the small one, I have the middle-sized one, and then I have the larger one. And these are so shiny that they really catch your eye. And I turned them on an angle to give it more dimension. And I think it does a pretty good job at doing that. Underneath, set that over there, I have my plates that my husband bought me years ago. He knew that I wanted these plates so bad, and he went to Walmart and he picked these plates up. I don't remember how much they cost, but I just love this setting. And as you see some of my videos, as I go on, you will see this place setting a lot because I love to use it. The white is just so crisp, and I just love to use it. And underneath it, I'm going to try to move this over here. Underneath it is a charger. Let me put this over here. Hold on, guys. Okay. This is a charger that I made myself because I didn't have anything that I wanted to use that was blingy and silver like this. And I wasn't going to go out and spend a lot of money for something like this. So I decided to DIY it myself, which I will often do. And all it is just, let me flip it over for you. It's just a cardboard, okay? And if I didn't tell no one, they probably would never know. And that's why I say that you can, do some DIYs and you can still get the same effect that you want. It is, bordered by this trim. And this is nothing but glitter, silver glitter. and it's very easy to make. And if you want to see a video on how I made this, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll probably do a video on it if you want to see that. Okay, I'm going to put this back over here, and we're going to move on to the silverware. Now, the silverware is from Dollar Tree, and it is not the silverware we're going to use for the holiday, but it's just for show, and because it's shiny, I just put it out for decoration. And the napkin ring is a DIY. It's nothing but some material that I had, some cloth material, and I wanted white napkins, and I didn't want to buy any, so I DIY'd these, and all this is the bling wrap that borders all around the napkin. And the napkin ring is a DIY also. It is nothing but a toilet paper ring, okay, that I cut and put some bling wrap around. I'll get in a little closer so you can see. And these are some little gems that came from Wish, I believe. Yeah, Wish. And that's all this is. And this really sparkles. I really love the sparkle when the light hits it. Over here is nothing but a fur ball that I made. I actually had for Easter, I had a rabbit from the Dollar Tree that had fur on it. And I just cut the fur off and put some little bling crystals on it. And I had me a little fur ball. And I just had this, I made this last year, so I just put it on the table just for a little extra bling. And right here, this is also from the Dollar Tree last year. These boxes I had in my living room on the floor, but I decided this year I would put them on the table because they were in my color scheme, and I thought they went nicely. Now, I'm going to move on to this place setting because this is the one I wanted to tell you about, which I used different ornaments from the Dollar Tree. This is all they had that I could choose from at my Dollar Tree, and this was the closest that I could get to that one. So I just used these for the other 3 place settings, as you'll see. And that's perfectly fine that they don't match that one over there. As long as they're in the same color scheme, you know, it's good to go. Okay, let's go to the middle of the table. This runner here is a fur from Joann Fabric. It has gold accents in it, which is really pretty. It's not white, it's cream color. So I still thought that it went nicely, even though it wasn't the white that I wanted. It was leftover material, so I used it. These glasses are some glasses that I already had, and all I did was stick these little beads in there from the Dollar Tree. It was from another project, and I just put them in there for some bling. And underneath that is another Dollar Tree ornament that I think is so blingy and pretty, and it's in my color scheme. And up under it is just a mirrored candle holder from the Dollar Tree, just to give it a little extra shine. And next to it right here is a Bath and Body Works candle with a door pull, that crystal door pull that I purchased from Home Goods. And I just fixed that with some glue, and it makes it so blingy and pretty. I love that look. I do that to almost all my candle tops. And the candle is Spiced Apple Toddy. And I got this when they had their $8.99 sale. Okay, I'm going to go to the crystal candle light holder. This was purchased at Home Goods also. It wasn't terribly expensive. It was on clearance. So I got it for little of nothing. And this right here is just a Dollar Tree ornament. It has some sparkle to it, so it sits there. And right here is just a Dollar Tree ornament that, there you go, that lights up. You can't see it that good, I guess. At nighttime, it's really pretty with the lights off. And next to that is just a Dollar Tree, okay, with the silver, I don't know what you call this, but yeah, that's what that is. And it's so shiny and pretty. And I got that last year as well. And right here is just another Christmas tree ornament that I set there. And I don't know if you could see. And right here is just another drawer pull, crystal drawer pull that I set right there just for some more bling. I love my bling. And that's it, guys. Well, no, that's not it. Let me show you my little creation of Dollar Tree accents that I put on my ceiling fan. I also added little crystals. I don't know if you can see them around it. But when the light's on, it lights up really pretty. And that's just the ornament I already had that I hung up there as well. And as you can see, most of these things I have came from Dollar Tree. And just to tell you about these plates, you might say, well, I don't have white square plates. I don't want to run out and I don't want to buy any. You can do just as good at the Dollar Tree. I believe they have the round white plates. And you don't have to have the square ones. Round would be just perfectly fine too. As long as it has the white, you know, because that's the thing. So you can still save money. And I think this is a very budget-friendly glam table setting. Let me know what you think. Give you one more look. The napkin holders, I think you noticed I only have two like this because I ran out of the crystals. I didn't have that many. So I have one on each side there, and these two, that one and that one is the same. But it still has the bling factor, even though those don't have the crystals. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell so you will get notifications every time I upload. And I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.